What's up everybody, this is my 1994 Nissan Sentra SER with a SR21VE. And today I'll be getting the car dyno tune. The goal I'm looking for is 240 to the wheels. I'm not looking for peak power, I'm looking more for a broad power band as I track this car. Just a quick breakdown on the motor setup. The motor is the SR20VE 2.0, which has 86mm pistons. I got the bottom end bored out to 88mm. Now the displacement is a 2.1. The compression is now a 12.5 to 1 compression, which previously it was a 10.3 to 1 compression. Also on the bottom end I have Eagle rods. I replaced the bearings. On the head I got Supertech valve springs and retainers, SR16VE N1 Cams, JWT Cam Gears. I have a custom intake manifold with a Q45 throttle body, going to a 3-inch intake pipe with a vibrant 6-inch filter. The transmission is from a SR16VE. It has a 4.4 final drive, upgraded LSD, which is a Cusco Exedy racing clutch, stage 1, and a light flywheel. For the fuel system, I'm running 810cc injectors, a Walbro 255 fuel pump, and it's running on E85. For the exhaust system, I run a tri-white header, full 3-inch Mandrel bent piping, and a vibrant muffler. And the car is running on a Nissan SA ECU, so stay tuned and see how much wheel horsepower she makes.